How to automatically create jobs for new clients. TaxDome allows you to automate the creation of jobs for new clients and prospects, saving you time and reducing human errors. If you want your prospective clients to be able to sign up for your portal, go to the Settings section and select the Client Sign Up subsection. Here, you can enable clients to create their own accounts independently and add a small form for them to select the services they are interested in. To set that up, enable this second toggle and enter some information. First, you need to enter some text to indicate the selection. By default, the question "Which services are you interested in?" is already programmed, but you can change it to whatever you want. Then, in this section, you will want to add the options mentioned earlier. I will add 3 here. One for my individual tax returns, another for my corporate tax returns, and another for prospects who haven't decided what they need yet. For each option you add, you select a pipeline so that once the prospect signs up, a job for them will be created in the corresponding pipeline. That prospect pipeline will help you determine exactly what the client needs and whether you will continue working with them. So make sure to set up the pipeline in a way that suits your vetting process. You can also select a job template here if you want to use a different one from the default job template you set in the pipeline. If you don't want your new clients to skip the question, click the gear icon at the top right, toggle on Required, and click Apply. This way, users will not be able to register without answering the question, and jobs for all newly registered clients will always be automatically created. After you set up all your options and pick your pipelines, click Save. Now look at how the sign-up process will work for your prospects. Once they start the sign-up process, they will enter their email address and receive a verification code. After that, they can enter some basic information. Underneath that section, you will see the checkboxes you set up earlier. There, your client can tick one or multiple boxes to select the options they need. Lastly, they would click on Continue, set up a password, and enter the verification code they received. From the firm side, you would receive a notification about a new client sign-up. A job will be added for them based on their choice. The job will be shown in a pipeline, where you can see that the new client has already automatically received a proposal and an organizer to fill in. All this is done without your manual involvement.